Well, good morning, good morning, good morning. YouTube, Facebook, family, and friends. We're going down here to go to the incubator, check on them this morning, and see if we got any more duckies. We got one in here. Should be dry. It was hung last night. It was hung up. I hope it's okay. I'll take a look here and see. Move it down yonder if it's still with us. I don't hear it chirping. It's not a good sign. Oh, it's on. They're eating. Oh, we got more than one. Oh boy. Let's get this little line in here. Oh, we got some hatching right there, coming out right now. Another one right there. Look at that one. Look at that one. Let's see here. How about it? You're ready. Yeah. Look at you. Let's put you up here out of the door for just a minute. Let me get something to put y'all in. Y'all are dry. There's some up there. Still dry. Let's put you right back in there for just a minute. I can find something to put you in. Okay, let's try again here now. Let's see what we got. Oh, you're right back down there, ain't you? You wanting out? Yeah, come on. Let's put you in here. Let's see, we got another one here, I think. Oh yeah, you're nice and dry. Oh, it's two little duckies. Where's that flashlight? No more in here. These here are just starting to hatch. There's one coming. Look at that. Look at that. There's one peeking out of that shell right there. See, it's cracking out. Can you see it? Yeah. Gotta get some water in here. Yeah. Okay. Two little duckies ready to go down yonder. Okay. Listen at them. Yeah. Two little duckies heading for the brooder. See the baby duckies? Yeah. Let me stand still here a minute. Let's see. Yeah. They look healthy. They look all right. Hey, look. Y'all got some new members of the family coming. They're not ready to come out here with you yet. Yeah. Jenny's watching out after y'all. Yeah. Look here. I got some babies. Yeah. They hear you too. One of y'all got some babies. I don't know which one. Do you know whose these are? Huh? No, not yours? Any of y'all? Are these yours? Is these your babies? How about you? No? Nobody? Nobody wants to claim them? They belong to one of you. That beats all I ever seen. They're getting so excited. They're hearing them big ducks. Oh, no. I know these ain't none of y'all's babies. No, not none of y'all. These are ducks. They're not chickens. You want what? You want to look? Oh, you don't have nothing to do with them, huh? Okay. I made sure they knew where some water was. And I made sure they knew where the food was. I know this one's having trouble standing. Sprayed you? No. They're enjoying that light already. Okay. Let's close this up and wish them the best. And something's been in your feet again last night. But there y'all go. LD doing good for now. Okay, everybody got a snack. Everybody's happy. Now y'all know, y'all don't have to just eat there. You can go out there in the grass, out in the yard out yonder, and eat all you want. Bugs out there waiting on you. I don't know if you can see these baby birds or not, but this mama, these two mamas, the mama and daddy or whatever, are not gonna let me get up there and take a close look right now. I'm talking about they are really serious. Look how they're going crazy. They have buzzed my head. Well, I got that field mowed behind the house. It looks good. Wish the neighbor over there to do his on the other side of the fence. Well, we're going to check the little baby ducks in the incubator here again. There should be a couple more, I think, would be ready. But there was some that wasn't. Oh yeah. This one right here is ready. Come here, baby duck. Put you in here. Okay. Let me get my flashlight here. Where'd they go? Oh, that one ain't got out of there yet. Still trying. One more. They're still trying to get out. All right. Come on, you little fella. Here. Take you down here to see your brothers or sisters, whichever they are. Yeah, I tried to get some of them. I tried to get some of them ducks to claim you, but they didn't want to. Okay, you just hold on. We're gonna go for a little ride. And just like that. And then there was 3. Look, someone's come to be with you. Y'all let them huddle up. Y'all brothers and sisters now. Don't be good to each other. Well, didn't get 17 eggs. Actually, 18. One was broke. So, we come up short 1 egg. Okay. All right, chickens, come on. Which one was it? Which one? Y'all outside, come in here. One of y'all cheated me out of an egg. I got 19 yesterday. I want my egg. I'll be back in a little while for it, so it better be there when I get here. You understand? Or we're going to have some chicken dinners. Yeah, hold your head up and pay attention to that, don't you? All right, I'll be back in a little bit for that other egg. I hate to threaten them like that, but it's the only way you can get them to work around here. All right. Take me at my word. 'Cause I'm serious. Okay. Especially you with them big breasts you got there. Yeah. You better start laying 2 eggs a day. All right. I'll be back. Beautiful night, evening, whatever you gonna call it. Sure is. Well, I'm gonna put this video together. There won't be a whole lot to it. Just random things I do. But it probably won't be that long. I don't remember, because I haven't done much of anything today. I said I was going to take an easy weekend, and that's pretty much what I've done. I've been outside just piddling around. I ain't done nothing to exhaust myself or anything like that, or get real tired. But it is hot out, but it looks like a storm's trying to brew up for the evening. I don't know if we'll get any of it or not. We're getting some of the cooler air off of it anyway. Got some special people I need all just to, if you're out there listening and you're part of my YouTube, Facebook, family, and friends, to pray for. The Lord knows who they are. That they do His will in their life. And be understanding. Did welcome some new baby ducks into the world today. Got another one. There's 3 of them down there in the brooder now. There's 2 more trying to hatch out, looks like. I don't know. If in the morning, if they're not hatched out, I might try to help them a little bit, because they might be stuck or something. I don't know. But we'll give them till morning to find out and do it on their own. It's probably the best thing for Mother Nature to do it. But everybody have a blessed night. I'm gonna call it quits and get me a sandwich and a ham sandwich here. I think it's trying to rain. And yeah, I hear the rain. I think we're getting some rain now. But anyway, I'm gonna eat me a ham sandwich and get myself cleaned up and call it quits for the night. That's random things I do. God bless and good night.